Yo fam, what is up? You are back for another video at Data Zero. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. This is your daily outlook prediction for stocks and crypto. Let's go ahead and hop in the charts, facts, and data for AMC, GME, SPY, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency right about now. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're heading into Friday, so if you already know Friday, we're going to be looking at Max Pain. All right, Max Pain is something you need to be aware of, always heading into Friday, as options are a big part of how this market moves. Market makers like to push price targets towards Max Pain. That way they can make the most money off of options premium. So you can see that GME's Max Pain is $30, ladies and gentlemen. GME Max Pain sitting at $30, most likely meaning that they'll try to push GME around the level of $29.99, $29.98. The reason why that is because $30 calls, they do not want those in the money. So if we close at 30 or 30.01, that puts those calls either even or in the money, and that is not what they want. So they want to close it 1 cent or 2 cents below that Max Pain level, getting it close to the Max Pain, but also getting the $30 calls not in the money. So watch for that potential price target here from market makers for GME. And if we go ahead and look at AMC, you can see Max Pain is sitting at the current price of $3.50. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, $3.50. So I'm expecting a slight upside for AMC, and I also expect that based off the technicals as well. So we're going to break that down, as they will try to close AMC around $3.49, $3.48. So this is what we're looking at for AMC and GME as far as Max Pain is concerned. Now, my prediction here, the macro one, is tracking. I edited it here live on stream a couple days ago so I could make it accurate to what we should see, and I positioned each line to where I think each day is going to go. That's why I'm not making micro predictions. Basically, what we see for tomorrow is a slight push-up consolidation type of day, getting probably a slight green day. We did close white. They had changed it to flat, but we were slightly green for the day, 340. So again, we did get this push up, confirming support and resistance, and we should see a slight green day tomorrow, in my personal opinion, heading right underneath 350 and then heading into next week. And I will break it down more on the weekly outlook and prediction. We should see a continuation to the upside based off what I have here. And then, of course, on the weekly outlook and prediction, I'll break down the specific details that you want to be looking at for this week coming up. But heading out of the close of this week, we do look good for AMC to recover. It's building this nice bullish base right here at these higher levels, 325, 350. And once we get above 350, we're going to be able to make a nice push to the upside. And I think that's going to be happening here very, very, very soon. But tomorrow, I think we're